Hello fellow designers, my name is Dorian Avila. I'm a vintage logo designer, and in this video I'm going to share a time lapse of one of the first vintage logos I ever did. Let's get right into it. So this is a vintage logo I did a few years ago. I really wanted to populate my social media when I first started with the kind of work that I wanted customers to come to me with, and I really wanted to get into labels for alcohol, and this is kind of where the starting point of that. I've done a few of them already over the years, but this was the first one I did as a mock-up. Being a Mexican, it was pretty obvious to do a tequila brand, and it's kind of what I came up with. It just kind of seemed like the right thing to do at the time. And again, this is just a mock-up. I'm using the blob brush for this on Adobe Illustrator. Again, I love using that brush because you're able to really determine the thick and thick lines of your designs. So please enjoy the rest of this time lapse. logo, and after that I created some stylescapes that really brought the whole packaging, the whole vibe and presentation of this design to life. And I really took time making sure that I made it look like a legitimate brand for alcoholic beverage or tequila. So it's important to make sure you make mock-ups for your customers. It has served me well over the years, and it's really important to really include that. It brings the logos to life. It really shows the customers' logos in action. I'll probably make a video on mock-ups soon, so stay tuned for that. So I hope you like this time-lapse video, and if you like this kind of content or logo design, especially vintage design, consider following and subscribing. And remember guys, stay humble, remain teachable, and fight for your dreams.